Hello everyone. So today I am doing the Space Caravan. Um, it's kind of something that I sort of remember from my childhood. Like I think it's like early anime cartoons and things that used to have like really cool um, spaceships. Like actual spaceships. Let me explain. Like a giant pirate ship with sails that actually went through space. And I used to find that just the most beautiful idea of space travel. Completely unrealistic, but in the context of like an anime film or TV show, it was absolutely believable. I think it was like from a program called Captain Havoc or Harvard. I'll look it up and put it in put it in the video. Um, but yeah, so that was my thinking, was like, could I make this sort of believable space caravan? So I wanted to sort of like have this sort of idea of like space travel's like cheap and free and or cheap or free. And you'd have lots and lots of space to walk around your spaceship and go wherever you want. And that's basically what I came up with. I thought it's got to have like some viewing areas, and I wanted it to be an interesting shape. It kind of reminded me a little bit of anime, in its, like it's got lots of little noodly bits pointing out in different directions and wings, and looks like it's been cobbled together and just works. Somehow it's airtight and safe and everything's great. So yeah, here we are. I've cut it all out using the loop tool and managed to give it like a sort of block it out with grey. And then here I'm just blending it using a blender brush, just blending in all the sketch marks that I did, just to sort of tidy it up and just get it to look a little bit more clean. But the whole time that I'm going along, I'm sort of thinking about design and thinking, what's going to work. Because in my sketchbook, I did it as a sketch, and then I also inked it with a biro, just to sort of pull out some of the sort of like more interesting sketch marks, which I believe I've done. So yeah, just going past the viewing area there, you can see little people in the window. And yeah, so I've included the entire process, and as you can see in the top left of the video, you can see me working on my Huion RDS 220 tablet. Yeah, so I was thinking, it's going to need an engine, it's going to need sails, it's going to need all of these newfangled bits, and obviously I am no engineer, so I'm making it up. But as long as it looks important, it will be believable. Yeah, so up there on the sort of front shield is like a viewing plate. And yeah, that's like a rudder at the back, just for steering, I guess. It did help looking a lot at Pinterest. Some elements, from like Star Wars original artwork and other sort of various artists. But there's just so many decent examples on there, and I just love that some people can do these drawings and make them look so complex and so realistic and get all the perspective right and all that. So yeah, I just wanted to do like my spin on it. Just test myself, see what I could come up with. So yeah, now I've got like quite a lot of the basics under control, just taking a sample colour of the sketch pad and patching out you know, the area that was outside my sketchbook. And yeah, now comes the fun part, just the colouring in. So I'm able to use the grey block that I did earlier as a sort of guide. So if I do like control on the layer that's got the grey in it, it'll highlight everywhere around what I wanted to keep, which is the Space Caravan thing. So I won't go outside those edges. It also means if there's anything that I want to do with the background, I can do without affecting the main image. This was interesting. I went for orange because it stands out so well, but I also went for the blending mode of colour burn because it was dynamic, and so I just let Photoshop, well, the colour burn mode in Photoshop, sort of dictate what the colours were going to be as I painted them in. So although I picked orange, it was coming up with these beautiful like variations, and just decided to keep it. Yeah, I reckon that's a water tank or something down there, and there's like some sort of docking port thing on the front. Yeah, all those flashes and purples and things like that, that's just me playing around with the idea of certain things to do with the shadows. So I've done my usual here, where I make a duplicate and I change it to the blend mode multiply, do a mask, invert the mask, and then I paint it back using a white brush, and you can see the dark version coming through, and that's excellent for like creating shadows. A very quick way to get contrast in your picture. And then I do it again and do it for the highlights. So just sticking in a bit of rim lighting. But yeah, it's a fun little challenge. Just making a little space caravan. There you go. Now you can see where you can view outside. And here's the finished image, signature included. Let me know what you think, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you again soon. Bye.